projects that you're longing for. Wish I was